Brilliant argument. So we have from the mouth of Officer, what's his name? Johnny Raymond? Hold on, let me rewind it so that way you can hear it. Because I'm going through. So here we go, right?
Not to be a stickler, I'm sorry. Did you really say that this is Idaho? You don't deal with identity theft?
I did not say that.
That's why.
I don't enforce federal law.
Okay. That's why I specifically said that it's a $50,000 fine in Idaho.
I didn't say that.
Okay. No, I'm remembering wrong. And that wasn't before the recording, so it's not like I can go back and check it.
Well, I rolled my body camera if you want to.
Yeah.
That's him offering his FOIA request. So thank you, sir. We'll be definitely getting that. But what did you say? What was your response after hearing that?
Mom, Dad, you have a force field and I don't.
We have a force field? Okay. Well.
Yeah, but I don't.
Okay. I'm talking to mommy real quick. Okay, I need you to go find a force field. You can do it. There's got to be something in here you can build one with. Go, quick.
Here.
Okay, mommy, what was it?
No, I just said that it sounded like you said they don't enforce federal law.
They don't. That's exactly what he said.
So, federally, it's a crime to drink and drive, but in Idaho State, it's not a crime to drink and drive, and that's why everybody does it?
Obviously. They've outlawed everything else. However, that is one of the big things that we see is everyone has a beer in their hand as they drive around. It's literally like...
A can, a bottle.
Put in my inventory? Okay, I got it, baby.
Okay.
Yep. But yeah, everybody. So, make that make sense, right? Hey, it's okay if you're one of the good old boys from town, right? But if you're from out of town like us, fuck you and your rights, right? The same rights that protect us all over. The Constitution protects us, right? Like, these people don't enforce. They're not actual law enforcement, right? Which means, very specifically, that means then they're working as a private entity. They're out there making...
You said we're just the police.
Yep, we're just the police.
What the fuck does that mean?
That means that what they're doing is they're making laws that go against the Constitution that charge you fines. And when you can't pay the fine, you get a warrant put out for your arrest, and you get time served in jail, and you miss all kinds of... You get your rights violated. Yep, so... You are a racketeering operation. That's what you are. If you're not gonna follow the oath that you honored, right? Like that you stated before you signed up, like the oath that you have to verbally state before you are allowed to work as a police officer. If you can't follow that, then, like, I'm sorry, find a different job. After you get out of prison, of course, because you did violate our rights, and I will make sure that you definitely pay for that. Especially you, Officer Top, who told me that he would violate my rights by constitutionally protected rights after you already stated that. Yep, constitutionally protected right. It's a federal crime. He's going to arrest me for something that, like very fair, unfair equal treatment. I bought something from a store, asked them for their policy, right, because they don't have it displayed anywhere. That's disabled rights, that's elderly rights abuse, that's all kinds of different rights. But poor people, right, like I don't remember the specific phrase for it, but again, they're violating the rights of a whole group of people, right? You can, in Idaho, you can charge for that under discrimination. So that's why I'm going through the recording, because according to him, they don't take care of federal law. It's just Idaho law. So when Idaho law goes against the Constitution, like there's no speed limits, there's no nothing like that, there's no traffic infractions in the Constitution, right, that I know of. It's not written in the First Amendment, Second Amendment, Third Amendment, right? Like it's not written in any of the amendments. Those would be Idaho specific codes. So you are knowingly making laws that go against the Constitution. That is a direct violation of Article 4, Clause 2 of I believe it's Section 18. I'm gonna have to look that up. I actually wrote it down here just not too long ago because, Article 4, Clause 2 of the U.S. Constitution enshrined in the the Supremacy Clause. So, fun fact, you actively violated our rights after I told you multiple times what you were doing, and you laughed about it, so we'll be taking this up in, civil rights violation. You can laugh about it in jail.